In this tutorial, we are building a journey in which when a new media is published on Instagram, a new row will be added in spreadsheet on Google Sheets. So let's start. Select Instagram as trigger. Next, choose new media as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on link an account. Now in steps, we will add a row in the Google Sheet. Select Google Sheets. Choose Add Row as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an account. Next, select your desired spreadsheet and enter the sheet number. Add ID and link from Instagram app data. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Instagram. After uploading the image, refresh the page. We can see an image is uploaded. Now go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Go to Google Sheets and select the spreadsheet. You will see a new row has successfully been added. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to add a new row in Google Sheets when new media is published on Instagram. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.